Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to more RC video reviews. I have this little Eachine F22 Raptor, little jet, RC jet. It's not EDF, it's a pusher motor right here. It has a built-in stabilization system, and also it says it has one key auto return to opposite direction of taking off. But for that you have to first press a button and record the direction of taking off, and then if you press one button, that is one key return, it will return in the opposite direction of taking off direction, which is kind of really confusing and strange. And who wants to do it? It doesn't actually bring the plane back. What if the plane is going in the opposite direction of taking off direction, and then you press that button, it will just start flying? So I'm not gonna test that. I'm just gonna fly it. It has expert mode, that is no stabilization at all, mid and beginner mode. Beginner mode is definitely for beginners to learn to fly, or easy to control for them and fly this aircraft. Also, it has a button where you can pull auto aerobatics roll, I believe, or loop. We'll find out very soon. So, designed for beginners to have fun, park flyer, easy to fly, safe to fly around people as well. Let's give it a try and see how it goes. It also has a landing gear, so you can take off from ground and, you know, land. Looks good. I like F22 Raptors. I used to have one. Let's fly it and see how it goes. Okay. This is a very small plane, hard to see by camera, and also it's in gray color. So Mariam will try to shoot the video. Now, in beginner mode, let's take off and see how it goes. Oh man, look at that, how stable it is. I mean, it can be, look at this radio, it's absolutely hands-free, right? Yeah. So, wait a moment, it's coming back, then you can get it. So it's very, very beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. I'll see if Arish can fly it. Arish loves these little planes as well. And given the stabilization and how easy, it's just actually flying itself. I'm just steering it around. And I love these little planes with stabilization. I have an Eachine P51 Mustang, which is one of the best P51 Mustangs in mini size that you can ever get. Flies absolutely beautiful and stable. And so is this F22 Raptor now. Look how beautiful it's flying. Really, I just have to steer it. I love these planes. You can fly them anywhere, easy to carry, not dangerous for people. You can even fly it around people and have fun anytime, anywhere. You don't even have to have a car to carry them around. Sweet! Alright, I'll try to stall it now. And it's coming, I'm slowing down, slowing down. Wow! The slow flying performance is amazing. It doesn't stall. The stabilization system is actually doing all the job there. Let's land it. Look how beautiful, like an alpha, I landed it. Needed more throttle. Okay, now I will pull aerobatic, one button aerobatic. For that you need to have some throttle. Nice, did you see those rolls? And here we go. That was a beautiful roll. Now, what happens is that when you press the button it beeps, then you pull roll or loop. So, according to the stick, it will decide what to do. That didn't go well. Let's try to do the loop again. I need more speed. Hold on. I will come back and pull a loop, so be ready for that. Here I come. Ready? Go up. Okay. That is a way to pull the loop. And it actually did it beautifully. But automatic loop, let's give it a try in beginner mode. I'm coming, and you should be zoomed out here, okay? Now it just did the roll, which was really nice, fast, beautiful roll. Notice the flight time. I'm going full throttle, flying it around, and it's still, oh, finally I was able to do the loop. Oh, wait, where are you going? Got it. Yes, the flight time is good. I'm flying with full throttle, mid throttle, and it still have power in it. So flight times are really good on this one. And also, yes, it does come with 2 batteries, so you have plenty of flight time to do. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is switch to expert mode, where it turns off all kind of stabilization, okay, and see if it is controllable or not. Expert mode. Oh no. I can still control, but I can tell you, you need the skills to control it. You can switch to stabilized beginner mode anytime you want, and it's in that just drive me baby mode. Drive me. Steer me around, that's it. What an absolute beautiful little jet to have fun with. Look at those beautiful landings. Driving on the water like a boat. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.